ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ओम रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ओम श्री रामचंद्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ओम श्री हनुमते नमः। ओम ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ओम नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ओम श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। हरि ओम। A very warm welcome. भगवान प्रगटे। श्री रामचंद्र जी प्रगटे। भय प्रगट कृपाला दीन दयाला कौसल्या हितकारी हर्षित महतारी मुनि मनहारी अद्भुत रूप विचारी लोचन अभिरामा तनु घन श्यामा निज आयुध भुजदाचारी भूषण बनमाला नयन बिसाला शोभा सिंधु खरारी कह दुई कर जोरी अस्तुति तोरी केहि विधि करऊं अनंता माया गुण ज्ञानातीत अमाना वेद पुराण भनंता करुणा सुख सागर सब गुण आगर जेहि गावहि श्रुति संता सोम महित लागी जन अनुरागी भयउ प्रगट श्रीकंता. Till here we have seen yesterday. Continuing. ब्रह्मांड निकाया निर्मित माया रोम रोम प्रति वेद कहे मम उरसो बासी यह उपहासी सुनत धीर मति थिर न रहे उपजा जब ज्ञाना प्रभु मुसुकाना चरित बहुत विधि की न चाहे कहीं कथा सुहाई मातु बुझाई जेहि प्रकार सुत प्रेम लहै माता पुनि बोली सोमति डोली तजहु तात यह रूपा की जैसी सुलीलाति प्रियशीला यह सुख परम अनूपा सुनि बचन सुजाना रोदन ठाना हुई बालक सुर भूपा यह चरित जे गावहि हरि पद पावहि तेन परहि भवकूपा विप्रधेनु सुर संतहित लीन मनुजावतार निज इच्छा निर्मित तनु माया गुण गोपार सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. In the third chanda, Tulsidasi writes, ब्रह्मांड निकाया निर्मित माया रोम रोम प्रतिवेद कहें. वेद कहें, Vedas indicate, Vedas have told, Vedas have declared what? Nirmita Maya. Nirmita Maya, Maya Shakti that has been the product of Bhagavan's will. Bhagavan had created this Maya which creates a universe, and then look at the description, Roma Roma Prati. Even at every hair there is a huge Maya, there is a huge universe. Brahmanda Nikaya, the entire universe was beautifully created. Roma Roma Prati, even every hair to hair it is a Brahmanda. So multitudes of universes. So we are living in one particular corner, say in Mysek, a remote place out of Mysore city. away from Mysore city, in a small village called Jantagalli. And in that village, 3.5 kilometers, nobody is there. There is only one house there, and in that house I am staying. And then start opening from there, like how probably your Google map will, zoom out and see. You will find it is not only the earth, then the solar system, then the Milky Way, like that millions of Milky Ways. We are one entity, and we claim ourselves to be really great and important and things like that. Now, how more foolish one can be. Brahmanda Nikaya Nirmita Maya Roma Roma Pati Bedaka hai Mama uraso basi yah upahasi sunata dhira mati thira narahai. And Kaushalya ji is wonderstruck that Parabrahma Swarupa Paramatma, who is the very cause of the entire universe, he Mama Urabasi. So Brahma, Mama Ura, he has taken birth in my womb. Yaha Upahasi, he is coming here and then he is amusing all of us. What an amusing story, isn't it? Yaha Upahasi, Sunata Dhira Mati Thirana Rahe, even listening, Sunata, even the great wise people's mind went, it was mind boggling, they say. Like that was this particular incidence where Parabrahma Paramatma, Brahmanda Nayaka, Brahman has come into my ura, in my womb. Upaja jabajnana prabhu musukana charita bahuta vidhiki na chahai. Bhagavan, he came to understand why everybody is astounded, everybody is astonished, everybody is spellbound, everybody is completely taken away. When the revelation came, when the revelation came in what? The revelation of Parabrahma Swarupa Paramatma has taken birth in Kaushalyaji's womb. Now she is the mother. Bhagavan smiled. Bhagavan always keeps smiling, isn't it? Bhagavan, now you see, for you and me it is a great astonishment, but for Bhagavan it is his Leela only, you see. He had told earlier, but Mata Kaushalya must have forgotten in decades of years and centuries. Then, Bahubidiki Nachahe. What is that? Musukhana. He smiled. Charita Bahuta Vidhi. He made lot of sports. Please note, very important point here. Bhagavan is still with that 4 hands and Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Rupa. We should not forget that. And then, Kahi katha suhai matu bujhai jehi prakara sutta prema lahai. Therefore, what did he do? First of all, he has to make her understand. Kahi katha suhai. Bhagavan told Kaushalya ji the backdrop of his birth in the womb of Kaushalya ji. Katha Suhai, he told her, you remember, as Manu and Shatarupa, you wanted a boy, a son like me. But I told you, like me is impossible because there cannot be 2 entities. Therefore, I myself will come as your son when you take Janma in Ayodhya as Dasharatha and Kausalya. Therefore, now I have come as your son. Matu bujai jehi prakara sutta premalahai. Therefore, according to that, to keep up my commitment, to keep up my promise. Yesterday I had told you, Bhagavan, even to keep up one genuine person, for their love, for their dedication, for their, bhakti, devotion, Bhagavan will come. And therefore he tells her the entire story about his coming into being. And with that, you can now love me as your son. Premala, Suta Premala hai. But then mother, Kaushalyaji, thought for a moment. Bhagavan, I have a small issue. What is that? See, now you have taken birth and you are in this form, Shankha Chakra Gada Padma, which only indicates that you are Bhagavan, Lord Vishnu. When you are in this form, how can I treat you? How can I be with you like my son? I can't play with you like a son. Isn't it? Mother and son relationship will not be complete if you are in this form. The love of a mother towards the child and all that pranks with a child has to play is the most beautiful period of anybody's life. Getting a motherhood itself is a great blessing, and getting a son is a greater blessing, and the son playing pranks with the mother, making everybody amused, making everybody happy, and the child making faces, laughing at sometimes like that they make, and then when they make faces because they have got something, mind after all, small kutti, little mind, like that when it makes, everybody enjoy. Some people take photographs and see how you are doing like that when they become old, they show. All those beautiful pranks, kicking, boxing, let us say, on the father's chest, these are all a beautiful experiences in the childhood. And that childhood, that childlike nature, the mother is the first person who loves the most. Now when Kaushalyaji sees her son with Shankha Chakra Gada Padma, how can she enjoy that? And what did she want? She wanted a child, not Bhagavan with that rupa. Then when Bhagavan is in that rupa, you can't have that relationship. You can't have that benefit. You can't have that playing attitude. And that is the greatest experience a mother wants, isn't it? Therefore she says, Ki jaisi sulila ti priya sila yaha sukha paramanupa. She says, Bhagavan, please come back. Mata puni boli somati doli tajahu tatayah rupa. Mata puni boli. Mother Kaushalya immediately said, maybe with folded hands, Somati doli. Her mind was waiting. Tajahu tatayah rupa. Hey Tata, here it is son only. But then she tells Bhagavan, oh Bhagavan, I want you as a son, as a normal son. Not with this Vishesha Rupa. I want you as a normal son. Ki jai Shishu Leela. Please do all the pranks a child would do. All the sport that the child would do. I want to see you like my son, not in this form as Bhagavan. Why? I can't play with you. Atipriya Sila. A child is the most dearest part of a mother. Therefore, yaha sukha parama anupa. This sukha of a child playing pranks is immeasurable, incomparable to all other sukhas of the world. Later, whatever happens is a different thing. Therefore, this Leela of a child, you please perform, you come as a child, tajahu. You give up this particular rupa and you play the Leela of a son. Once you grow, then so many other Leelas the boys do, isn't it? But now, Shishu Leela. Please play with me as a Shishu Leela. And I tell you, that joy is inexplicable. The joy of a Shishu Leela. Interestingly, they say, a child is one, baby. The child means not grown-up child, baby, infant. A child is one who does not do anything but keeps all others busy in the house. Not doing anything, the child keeps everybody busy in the house. That is the glory of the child. By the very presence. Vivekachudamani says, Yasya sannidhi matrena. By the very presence of the child activates the entire world. It illuminates the entire house. It makes the whole house a very beautiful playground where everybody wants to play, everybody wants to be happy. Therefore, now see, remember these three. One is Kaushalya ji, she wanted Bhagavan and Bhagavan came to her in her womb. Isn't it? As the very son. Two, it indicates that Bhagavan keeps up the promise. And third, even for a single individual, Bhagavan is ready to come if that asking is selfless and for the sake of the society. All these things we must remember. That is why in our Shastra, Matridevo Bhava. So what did he do? The moment she asked, Bhagavan, please come as a normal child and play with me. I want to play with you. Kije Shishu Leela. Therefore, Suni Bachan Sujana Rodana Thana Hoi Balaka Surabhupa. Surabhupa, the very Lord of all lords, God of all gods, Surabhupa, Hoi Balaka. He became like a normal child. Suni Bachana, having listened to mother's words, Sujana, Rodana Thana, immediately. Now you remember earlier, when Bhagavan Pragate, when Bhagavan manifested, Vishala Lochana, he had big eyes and Vishesha Rupa, 4 hands. But now what did he do? Suni Bachana Sujana Rodana Thana. He became a normal child, little child, and started crying. That is the very first indication of the normalcy of a child. Think. That is why Surdasi writes, when you take birth, you cry and all others will laugh, but your life should be such that you go smiling and make others cry. Why? That is the way you enchant others and work for the sake of others. I forgot that song. Anyway. So by that, Suni Bachana Sujana Rodana Thana Hoi Balaka Surabhupa. And he, remember, the moment Kaushalya ji said, Rama, please, Tajahu Yahi Rupa, please give up this Rupa and come as a normal child. He obeyed his mother. the first thing everyone must do is obey the mother. That is one more very beautiful indication here. He immediately obeyed his mother. He came to a normal rupa and he started crying. Yah charita je gavahi hari pad pavahi tena parahi bhavakupa. Now this line Tulsidas ji says. What does he say? Yaha charita je gavahi. Je, those of them. Yaha charita gavahi, who sing this particular glory. That is why this particular chanda should be by-hearted and one should sing daily, it seems. Yaha charita je gavahi, hari pada pavahi. The one who surrenders at the feet of Hari, at the feet of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji, Tulsidas ji says, Tena parahi bhavakupa. They will never ever fall into the well of Bhavasagara. They will never fall into the well of Samsara. Meaning, they will be transported from the pluralistic experience to that particular state of Ekameva Dvitiyam Brahma. They will come to realize their own true nature, which is Brahman. Therefore, keep singing his glory. That is what it means. Bipradhenu sura santahita Leena manujavatar. Now look at that word, hita. Hita means, actually it has got so many meanings. One is, hita means welfare, care. It also means love. It also means I am there, a confidence given. That is why in Hanuman Chalisa again and again and again and again and again and again I say, Tum rachak kahum ko darna. He is there to protect us. Therefore, why fear? Oh, what will happen in my old age? Something will happen. According to your prarabdha karma, whatever there will happen. Now don't worry about it. Keep thinking of him. Keep singing about him. Keep, constantly attached to him. Satsangatve, nissangatvam, and it leads to Jivan Muktihi. Vipradhenu sura santahita. For the sake of Vipra, Brahmanas, Dhenu, cows, Sura, gods, Santa, saints and sages, for their hita, Leena Manuja Avatara. Bhagavan took the avatara of Manuja. Nija ichha nirmita tanu maya guna gopara. Nija ichha, out of his own free will, out of his own desire, out of his own, choice. Nirmita tanu, he has taken this particular tanu, body, avatar, maya guna gopara. And this is one which will transcend maya. Two meanings. One, he is already above maya, and the one who sings his glory will also transcend maya. Maya guna gopara. Such people who sing the name of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji will transcend maya, will transcend this change. What is change? Shadvikaratvam. Childhood, youthhood, middle-aged, old age, vyadhi, marana, all these changes will no more come. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam will no more occur. One will maya guna gopar. They will transcend this particular transmigration. They will be untouched by all this transmigration. This is the glory of Bhagavan. So remember 191, 192. Chaupai, Doha and Chanda. Please keep this in mind. Chant again and again, chant again and again. Now that you have known the meaning also, chant it remembering the meaning also. All right, continuing. Suni sunurudana parama priya bani संभ्रम चली आई सबरानी हर्षित जहाँ तह धाई दासी आनंद मगन सकल पुरबासी दशरथ पुत्र जन्म सुनिकाना मानहु ब्रह्मानंद समाना परम प्रेम मन पुलक शरीरा चाहत उठन करत मति धीरा चाकर नाम सुनत शुभ होई मोरे गृह आवा प्रभु सोई परमानंद पूरी मन राजा कहाँ बोलाई बजावहूँ बाजा गुर वशिष्ठ कह गयऊ हंकारा आये द्विजन सहित नृप द्वारा अनुपम बालक देखनी जाई रूप राशि गुण कही न सिराई नंदी मुख सुराध करी जात कर्म सब कीन्ह हाटक धेनु बसन मुनि नृप विप्रन कह दीन सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सुनी सिनुरुदन परम प्रिय बानी संभ्रम चली आई सब रानी। The moment Rudana, Priyabani, the moment they heard the cry of the child, Suni Sunu Rudana, Parama Priyabani, Sambhrama Chali Ai Sabarani, all the Ranis came running towards Kaushalya ji. Why? Now the child has come. He is already born. Therefore, they all came running. Isn't it true? In one house, when some child is born, even in our normal houses, what a sambhrama in that house. Isn't it? Everybody coming to see the child, everybody bringing gifts to the child, everybody sharing, lot of sweets, etc. It was a sambhrama. So, sambhrama chali aayi sabarani. All the queens came. Harashita jahatah dhai dasi. All the servants, maid servants, everybody were also happy. They ran here and there to make every possible things to be perfect. Everything should be neat and clean. Everything should be more, festive atmosphere. So even the servant maids went hither and thither to make everything beautiful with great delight. That is very important. Harashita. Ananda Magana Sakala Purabasi. Purabasi, the people who are living in the city, Ananda Magana, they were drowned in Ananda. See, our Ananda are all, with a, what should I say? It is so small, I can't even express. Our Ananda is all, even for the petty things, petty small things. Bhagavan has come. Every single person in the city, Bhagavan has come, Raja Dasharatha, they may not know that he is Bhagavan at that stage, let us say, but Dasharatha, their Raja, after so many decades, now he has got a son. That means what? All of them have got a Yuva Raja. Now they have no fear. Why? There is somebody who will continue in the race to take care of all the prajas. Therefore, a Puravasi, all the people in that whole city of Ayodhya, all of them Ananda Magana. They were drowned. They became so happy. Dasarata Putra Janma Sunikana. Dasharatha. His ears listened to that beautiful news. And when he heard that a son has been born to Kaushalya, Manahu Brahmananda Samana, he took that to be as good as he has gained that Brahmajnana itself, Brahmananda itself. To that extent he was joyful, he was drowned in that joy. In fact, he was completely covered by that thought alone. It was as good as that joy of Brahman. Parama prema mana pulaka sarira. His whole body was so, what do you call it as? It was so vibrating. In fact, we may say many times we also, in fact, our things, small things also, we become very happy and our hands and all start shivering. We don't know how to handle that happiness, laukika happiness. But what to talk of Dasharatji, Bhagavan, Parabrahma Swarupa Paramatma, Bhagavan Vishnu has taken avatara, and that news came to him. He took time to even get back to his senses. Parama prema mana pulakita sarira, chahata uthana karata mati dhira. And he wanted to rise, he took time even to get up from his seat. That he has already got a son. His mind was filled. Karata Mati Dhira, the one who is a great Veera Purusha, but even he became, spellbound. Jakar Nama Sunata Subha Hoi. The very name of Bhagavan brings so much of blessings to the entire house. The very fact, even in that city, people see, in our house, if there is a child, I get delighted, and also neighbors also will get delighted. I will continuously be delighted. Neighbors may be delighted for a small period of time, but the entire city was consistently delighted by the very fact that Bhagavan has arrived. More griha ava prabhu soi. That Bhagavan, whose name itself will bring joy. Jakara nama sunata. By that time when we hear the name called Rama, the heart is quiet and the heart is beautiful. The heart feels joy. Rama. Simple do akshara. When we listen to the Nama Rama, our heart becomes so happy. More grihava. That Bhagavan Rama has come to my house as my son. Soi Prabhu, that God, he said to himself, he was so delighted. What else words can we use? Yav pashyati sapashyati, it is said in Upanishads. One who experiences alone can experience that joy. Paramananda Puri Manaraja. Raja Mana Paramananda Puri. Inexplicable joy, ultimate joy. Kaha bolai bajavahu baja. He said, let all the drums play, instruments, all of them play, let the whole city be decorated, let there be, joyful, let lights be lit. So many you can add, whatever you all can think, you can add all that also to it. Baja, baja, let the whole drums and then trumpet, let them play. And then he said, Gura Vasishta Kahangayo Ahankara. It is not Ahankara. Gura Vasishta Kahangayo Hankara. Hankara means, please summon Guru Vasishta here. Hankara. Bring him here. Aye Dvijana Sahita Nripadvara. Dvijana meaning Pandits and Purohits, all of them came towards Nripadvara at the doorstep of Bhagavan, of Dasharatha. And then Vasishta ji also was summoned, and he is also on the way. Anupama balaka deka hijai. And they all went to see that beautiful, unique boy, unique child. Ruparasi guna kahina sirai. He was embodiment of beauty. Ruparasi guna kahina sikhai. The qualities, the excellences of the boy cannot be put into words. You cannot utter a word. Anandam brahmano vidvan. Vacho vachaha nivartante aprapya manasasaha. Mind also cannot comprehend. Nandi mukha sarada kari jata karama sabakin. Nandi mukha, here it is. Nandi means not Shiva's vehicle Nandi. Here Nandi means Nandi. Nandi mukha saradhakari. Saradha means shraddha. Now this shraddha is a very important point. We have to understand it clearly. Nandi and shraddha are done previous day to propitiate all the forefathers before a very good activity takes place. You might have been doing in your house also. When Vivaha karma, Upanayana karma takes place, Nandi is done. Why? To propitiate all the ancestors taking their blessings. That is important. That is what it means. Nandi Mukha Saradakari, meaning what? Nandi Shraddha karma was done to propitiate the entire ancestors. Jata karma sabakinha. Then the preparation for Jata karma, for that those particular ceremonies which has to be performed when a child is born. In our Hindu Shastra it is said, Shodasha samskaras, 16 types of samskaras, Garbhadana, Pumsavana, Simantonnayana, Jata karma, Namakarana, like that 16 samskaras are there. Let us see if on an occasion comes, we will think about that. Right now, Jata karma sabakinha, all the preparations were done for the ceremonies which has to be done for Jata karma, that is connected with the birth of the child. Hataka dhenu basana muni nripa viprana kahadinha. Raja Dasharatha was so happy. He started giving lot of gifts. Hataka dhenu basana muni, cows and clothes and nripa vipra kanadina, even jewelries, gold, etc. Everything were given in dana to all the brahmanas and even to public also to a certain extent. Were all given to everybody, and there was so much of festivity. It was not a one house festival. In our cases, we do festival. We would have put torana, we would have put some serial lights and all we put, and then cradle would have come and then you would have decorated cradle like how we had done it day before yesterday in our talk. Actually, it was done on 12th May. You decorate the whole place and welcome the child, isn't it? Similarly, it was not only in that house, it was all the entire Ayodhya. Now, this also indicates a very important point. The entire Ayodhya, they functioned like a family with lot of love and affection between people without any negative tendencies, without any craving, without greed, without all those Shadvairinaha, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Matsarya, they all lived together with so much of love and affection. And where there is love, where there is affection, where there is purity in that love and affection, there negative tendencies cannot come. In our own family, such tendencies are not there. Why? That is why there is so much of misunderstandings, misconceptions. To what extent people part, they divide the house, they divide, divorces takes place. People kill the highest of it. Why? Because that pure love, accommodation, that encompassing everybody is not there even in our families. Whereas Ayodhya, look at the word, Ayodhya, where there is no Yuddha, both at the micro level and at the macro level. That way, people were all very, very united, very, very happy. And there was only joy, there was only festive, activities. Rangolis were beautifully spread, Toranas were done, flower decorations were done. Everybody prepared sweets and distributed to everybody. Think. Raja got a Yuva Raja. Kaushalyaji got a son. And look at the kind of festivities. This is how a mind has to function. All these katha is being told for us to understand. We also must develop. Look at only the positive side of the world and let go of the negative aspects of the people. Then we will find there is only joy, and the entire Ayodhya was in festive season. We will leave them for some more time and meet tomorrow to see what happened further at Ayodhya Rajya Palace. All right. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.